Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can watch Netflix for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So apparently Netflix itself does not let you have a free trial. So even if you go through purchasing of subscription and wishing and hoping that you might get a trial, unfortunately they do not offer. So what you have to do is you have to rely on any other options. Like for example, there are some provider like T-Mobile. Some T-Mobile plans include free Netflix standard with ads, and in the UK Vodafone offers free Netflix standard with selected plan as well. And there are some other providers which you have to do a little bit of research and find out actually which provider in your country or in your region actually provides you a free trial before purchasing any plan or after purchasing a plan. And you might have to even go to an unofficial websites where they will be able to give you a free trial, but you have to be aware of potential risk. So I would rather suggest you to ask your friend who has Netflix to give you the Netflix, so how you can have your own free trial before purchasing. That's the safest way. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.